I'm Federico, founder and CEO of Digi.Bio, the programmable medicine company building hardware and AI solutions to accelerate therapeutics development. Cancer kills more than 10 million people a year. What if a personalized therapy was on the market when you need it? New cell therapies cure cancer in more than 90% cases, and up to now an unprecedented 33,000 clinical trials took place. But the technology is so time-consuming and complex that its price is estimated at $500,000 per patient. This puts a price tag on people's lives, and that is why we're building the Nespresso machine to brew cancer-killing cells, reducing from months to weeks.
Did you know that in the past 10 years, the life expectancy of a metastatic cancer patient has only improved by a mere 1 month? This is the problem that we are trying to solve at Bimini Biotech. We are an innovative oncology startup from the University Medical Center Utrecht, and we have developed proprietary small molecules that target a novel molecular mechanism and have delivered promising preclinical results in colon cancer. We now aim to bring these compounds to the clinical stage and later commercialize them in collaboration with a large pharma partner. Our team is a mix of young, ambitious entrepreneurs and experienced business and scientific experts. Our vision is to build Bimini into a leading oncology therapeutics company with a broad portfolio targeting a large range of cancers. Thank you.
Each year, around 4 million people have to get a heart catheterization to open blocked coronary arteries. Nearly 500,000 of these patients have to get back to get a new catheterization, if they manage to get to the hospital at all. In half of the cases, and that are around 250,000, that patients have to undergo a recatheterization. The cause is the rupture of a so-called vulnerable plaque that was not properly diagnosed the first time. Kaminari Medical, a spin-out of the renowned Erasmus Medical Center in the Netherlands, has developed a catheter that can image these vulnerable plaques in the best way. And with that, we really can improve the outcomes of heart catheterizations. We combine two technologies: ultrasound to image the structure of the plaque and photoacoustics to image the composition, the contents of the plaque. Kaminari combines these two technologies on one catheter. And with this comprehensive diagnostic technique, we will be able to decrease the number of recatheterizations significantly. Our technology has been proven successfully in animal experiments. We have raised the necessary funding to develop the catheter towards the first clinical trial. And now we are looking for financial partners to speed up the process in getting Kaminari Medical to the market.
So how many signs did you pass by today? 10? 20? Probably hundreds of company and road signs, but which one really stood out? There are hundreds of millions of signs, but they all share a common problem. It is expensive to connect them to the grid. My name is Jeroen de Schiphorst, CTO and co-founder of Lusoco, and we create self-powered, illuminated visual communication using luminescent solar concentrator technology. Our revolutionary technology allows images to illuminate off-grid, having extreme high contrast, but most of all, they stand out. We finished our first pilot project and raised €1 million thus far. My co-founder Teun Wagenaar is a serial entrepreneur who sold a successful deep tech company, and he now teamed up with me. Our first market will be Europe, but we want to be ready to grow and need your help to become also big in the United States of America.
Microparticles are everywhere. Products in, for example, personal care, life sciences and pharmaceutical applications all contain microparticles. Encapsulation and preservation of active ingredients in microparticles enhances shelf life, control and release thereof. Existing technologies either produce high quantities of low quality or high quality microparticles at low quantities. IamFluidics invented a revolutionary technology that combines best of both worlds. Our technology enables the production of high quality, uniform microparticles at high commercially relevant quantities. Our patented process is flexible, robust and scalable. It offers the ability to manufacture new, improved and high quality microparticle based products. IamFluidics provides proof of concept studies, small scale production up to 10 tons and high volume manufacturing at the customer site. I invite you to revolutionize microparticles.
Can you imagine what it would be like to run a factory with machines that do not always work? Would you dare make promises to your customers or schedule your staff? This sounds crazy, but it's reality for many US vegetable growers whose harvests are dependent on Mother Nature, and she's fickle. This is causing major waste in a $100 billion market. My name is Cas Vermeer. I'm one of the co-founders of VanBoven. We provide harvest predictions for fresh vegetables using a combination of drones and artificial intelligence. With our solution, growers know exactly how much produce they can harvest in the upcoming weeks, giving them a major advantage in both operations and sales. We've proven our product and business model in pilots and with launching customers in the Netherlands, and we're now ready to move across the Atlantic into the land of year-round harvest. Are you connected to any of the major US vegetable growers? Then please get in touch.
400 million people worldwide. Just imagine 400 million people who suffer from degenerative disc disease and the associated pain. Hi, I'm Bob Guillaume, CEO of Biomatrix, and I'm one of those millions. Today, these patients only have two options: to manage their pain with ever-increasing pain medication over years, or a major surgery with associated risks and rehabilitation. Biomatrix will provide the first early restorative treatment, VitaDisc, a simple injectable biomatrix to restore that degenerated disc. Just imagine being able to go to a doctor's office to get a simple injection and shortly thereafter be rid of your debilitating back pain. Professor Ito, our CSO and inventor of the technology, and our dedicated team are working to establish pilot clinical trials in this year. So thank you for your attention, and I ask you to invest in making this exceptional vision a reality for those 400 million people.
Noise is frequently cited as one of the biggest problems in city life. People living close to the airports and busy roads complain that they can never relax due to the intrusive sounds. At DeNoize, we have solved this problem. By combining years of experience with cutting-edge technologies, our team has developed the world's first smart glass system that offers up to 90% reduction against the outdoor noise. DeNoize enables the future of real estate. In just over 2 years, we evolved from an idea to signing Amsterdam Schiphol Airport as our launching customer, while winning many respectable awards like Accenture Beautulip and top Dutch academic startup competition along the way. Noise is not just a problem in the Netherlands, and we are ready to move to the US and make some noise by offering a piece of silence.
What I miss most these days is being in the crowd, working at home, not physically seeing my colleagues, not going to festivals. We have made a software product for simulating crowds. The product is currently used for the Dutch parliamentary elections with COVID measures. We can help each other. We are looking for domain experts, including consultancy bureaus, who pay a monthly license fee to create impact for end clients, such as London, Schiphol, the Tour de France, and the US military. We are also licensing educational institutes to empower students in their crowd management education. We are looking forward to copying this model to other countries. Finally, we are searching for strategic partners like resellers to facilitate growth. In our core, we are a software company with much knowledge, based on 15 years of academic research and more than 80 man-years of development. Our easy-to-use software is shaking up the market because it's the most realistic one, 20 times faster and fully interactive. We can do this while others can't. Of course, we have a growth accelerating strategy, which you can empower. Contact me directly to make the difference together.
Hi, my name is Michiel Roelofs and I am the co-founder and CEO of Taylor. We develop and supply electronics and software for solar panel manufacturers. Solar panels are made up of a series of solar cells. Local shading and aging can limit the performance of a single cell, which then limits the performance of the total solar panel. A combination of dedicated microelectronics and advanced algorithms enable us to individually optimize the performance of solar cells, resulting in up to 20% more energy. We have set up a strong global manufacturing supply chain and we are currently certifying our product. Together with our launching customer, we are entering a $1 billion global market in 2021. And Taylor is looking for partners to help us launch in the US in 2020.